Gusto mo ba mag-apply para sa SRB or SID? Just keep on watching. Unang step, pumunta sa Marina Online Appointment System. I-search mo lang sa Google, Marina SRB Appointment at i-click ang official website. Then, kapag nasa website ka na, i-click mo lang yung Schedule an Appointment. Then, click mo lang yung No, then continue mo lang. So, before ka mag-proceed sa continue, you have to read the reminders carefully. Wear or bring colored shirt white and documentary stamp on the day of your appearance. So, dito sa terms and condition, nandito yung list of fees ng SRB at SID. It's 1,000 and 1,000. So, bali 2,000 siya. Then, kapag nagbayad ka through GCash, may fee na 50 pesos. So, 2,050 pesos. So, these are the list of requirements for SRB and SID. So, magdala ka lang daw ng PSA, valid NBR clearance, certificate of completion of basic training, kahit di mo pa siya nagpapa-COP, isang documentary stamp, and print and copy of